Hey y'all, my name is Ashley and today is Vlogmas Day 7 even though it's not the 7th because life happens. But today I'm going to be sharing my Truly Black Friday haul. So not only do I have like my subscription box from Truly that came, I also have like the mystery bag they came out with on Friday and then a few products that I picked out as well. So if that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. All right, so I understand today is like my 7th day for Vlogmas, but I also understand that today is December 13th. But life happens, so we had a pretty busy weekend. Like on Friday, Sarah actually had to go to the emergency room and have emergency surgery and have her gallbladder removed. So obviously I was not filming content. I also went ahead and picked a winner and contacted them for the giveaway I ran at the end of November. And I think there was like one more thing. Oh yes, the other thing is I do have my highlighter declutter part 2, and that's probably going to go ahead and go up tomorrow. If not, it will definitely go up the following day. So that's the timeline on that. So I know a few people really enjoy my declutters, and I'm not gonna lie, highlighters is like the hardest thing for me to go through and declutter, and I can't get rid of them. I am just attached. But you should go ahead and stick around and subscribe for that video. Let's go ahead and dive right into this Truly. Now, I did go ahead and unwrap everything because like Truly, a lot of their products come in glass. So there is like an absurd amount of like it's not bubble wrap, but it's like that cardboard padding and then tissue paper. So I went ahead and unwrapped everything so it wouldn't be as lengthy as a video. It also not so noisy, but this is the subscription box right here. And the way that Truly subscription box works is you can set it up to the frequency that you would like. So I have mine coming once a month, and I do have like the $135 one. I do use a lot of Truly products, and everything I've tried so far, okay, not everything I've tried so far, majority of the products I have tried I have loved and I have repurchased them. I chose to subscribe to their box because like I'm gonna use the product. Like it's a cheaper way to get refills of what I'm already using. So I did get a bag with my first order or my first month of subscribing. And this one also has a bag, and it's just like a little wristlet bag that does say GLOAT, which is like the line of lip products they have for like greatest lips of all time. And it's a vegan leather bag, and these bags are like really nice quality. So it's like the perfect little like to-go pouch to carry your lip products in. But so this is the bag with the chain. And off the top of my head, I don't know what this stuff originally retails as, so I will be putting little information down at the bottom of the screen with how much I paid for this box and how much like each individual product retails on their website. So to go with the bag, the box actually came with like the entire GLOAT kit, which does include and I've tried all these products before, so I actually really enjoy this line. I absolutely love the Lip Plumping Serum. I keep one up here in my beauty room, and I keep one with my like skincare routine stuff, and I go through these. So I'm really excited to get this in like a subscription box. The next one is the Big Juicy Lip Oil. And then the Sexy Soft Lips Lip Scrub, along with the Luscious Lip Butter. And then the lip scrub and lip butter are actually like peppermint scented. And what's funny is I actually used the lip butter that I have like already from this set today. But I absolutely love this little line of products. So it's nice to have like a backup of them when I do run out. The next product is the Best Frenemies Whipped Polish, and it's a mango, pineapple, sea kelp, algae, and hyaluronic acid. And this is from like the SpongeBob collaboration. I'm not the world's biggest fan of SpongeBob, but this smells really good. And this is just like a full body polish. I love the Buns of Glory one, so I'm kind of excited to try this one out. And then there is the Unicorn Fruit Whipped Body Butter. I do have a larger size of this currently right now. It's a really nice body butter. I'm not the biggest fan of the scent of this one. This one's just like super sweet. And that's really the only problem I have with it. But it's really nice on the body. And I will get use out of it. I wouldn't go out and purchase this one on its own, but I will use it because it is such a nice, like, hydrating body butter, and the scent of it doesn't break my legs out. It's just not my favorite smell. Now, this is a product that I use all the time, and I'm excited to get it in this box because honestly, if they put this in the box every month, I would be set. But it is the Smooth Legend Pre-Shave Scrub. I use this all the time before I shave my legs. I cannot live without this product, and I have gone through so many of these. I want to say probably like 5, 6, or 7 of these. And it has like this really nice like grapefruit but sugary smell. And I'm pretty sure in my last Truly video, I hauled it. So I've talked about the product there as well. Then I got the Cocoa Cloud Aftershave Serum. I absolutely love this serum. I'm excited to have another one because I'm pretty sure I'm halfway done with the one I'm currently using. Now, this is a product I haven't tried before, and I'm actually going to have to do a little bit of research before I use it to make sure it is safe to use on color-treated hair. But this is the Truly Unicorn Locks Repair Hair Masks, which targets split ends, dull, and damaged hair, and it contains coconut oil, banana, avocado, cocoa butter, and keratin amino acids. There's nothing on this packaging that says that it's for color-safe hair. And when I get hair products, that's like the first thing I look for because I want to keep the vibrancy of my green hair, which is why for hair masks, I use the Sol de Janeiro one because it seems to keep my hair color, doesn't fade it at all. None of it runs out when I wash it out. But this is what this product looks like. I'm definitely interested in trying it. I'm just concerned about losing the color of my hair. And then the final item I got in this little subscription box is a little handheld mirror that says effing hot, and it's cute. I mean, it's just a little mirror, but it's cute. I definitely think this box is totally worth like $135. Like, I'm very excited with the products I received. I'm definitely gonna keep it at the 1 month mark. So on Black Friday, if you spent a certain dollar amount, you got a mystery bag. And the way that I purchased my Friday mystery bag is that's when I went ahead and set up my subscription. And even though like they didn't have the option to set it up before. So I went ahead on Black Friday, it started my subscription, which was $135. I believe I only had to spend like $150 to get the free mystery bag, which contained quite a few products. I forgot what the value was, but I mean, it was like a bag and then a bunch of products for free, basically. I'm gonna go ahead and share, and each day had a different mystery bag. So they did a mystery bag on Friday, they did a mystery bag on Saturday, then on Sunday, which I do have that one still coming in the mail. And then on Monday, if you spent $250, you got the entire like VIP bundle for free, which is $250 on its own. The bag I got on Friday, for Friday's bag, is this really cute beach tote that's like terry, like that terry towel material, but like it's absolutely massive. I definitely see myself getting a shit ton of use just having this bag. I know for a fact that all the products that I am like hauling right now, I will be using this bag to carry them downstairs, but it is super cute. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be as well. Just because like in advance they showed you the 3 different bags. The one I really wanted was the heart-shaped bag, but I've seen a few spoilers and I think that was Saturday's bag, and that's the day I did not make a purchase. But it is what it is. So the products that came inside of the mystery bag, I did get another unicorn fruit whipped body butter, and I think what I might end up doing is actually gifting one of these just because like I don't need to, and of course Christmas is around the corner, so it's actually gonna make a perfect little gift to like re-gift-ish. I don't know, buying mystery bags is a great way to bundle up Christmas gifts in my opinion, so I'm actually going to do that with this one. The next thing is the What's Up Buttercup Super Soft Aftershave Shea Butter. This has got avocado, kiwi, niacinamide, allantoin, don't know what that is, and hyaluronic acid. So I've never tried this product, but this is from the collaboration with Powerpuff Girls. Let's see. Oh, I like the way that one smells. So this is definitely a product I don't need, and I've actually been using my Truly razor, and I've actually really been enjoying it. This is just the razor kit. So this one, let's see. This razor kit, just like the last one, does have 2 razor heads, but then it has a Powerpuff Girl handle. I will be keeping this for the razor heads itself, and I guess, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the handle, but I've been enjoying the razor, surprisingly enough, better than the Joy one I had before. I feel like my legs are definitely getting a way closer shave and staying smooth longer, which I didn't think was really possible, but it could be the products I use as well. I also only shave my legs once a week, so that way the hair doesn't grow as fast. But I don't know if that's just like me mentally thinking how it works or it actually does help. And then the last thing is the Cake Maker Tightening Butt and Leg Serum. So if you watched my other Truly video, you'll see that I recently hauled this and I absolutely love this product. And there's like this much left. So I'm very excited that this product came in my mystery bag. But that is all the products that came in the mystery bag. Okay, so the products that I purchased. I did get a 2-pack of razor heads that I've already started using. I don't think there's any need to show them on camera. And then I accidentally purchased a mini of something when I meant to get the full size, and it's actually the Smooth Legend Pre-Shave Scrub. So I have a mini, I'll still use it, but I meant to buy the full size. And then the last thing is a new product, which is the Barbie Butter. So this is in collaboration with Barbie, and it is a whipped body butter with a chia seed, CO2 matcha, don't know, rose water, and the vegan collagen booster. So this scent actually smells very similar to the unicorn fruit scent, but not as sweet and sugary. I like it. Do I know if I'll repurchase it? I don't know, because I definitely want to see if it's like a different, like, you know, if it's any different from their other body butters. And sometimes the scent kind of changes when you do put it on your body, so I'll have to see with this one. But I definitely just wanted to try it because if you see my declutters, I do like Barbie. I have like a lot of the makeup Barbie collaborations, and I just wanted to try the body butter out for sure. Whew. So this is my Vlogmas Day 7 and my apparently massive Truly haul. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried Truly products and if you have any particular favorites that I should try out. Let me know. But until next time, bye y'all.